Abra Israel for no eko ahia mu na no hia nyame ewo Egypt asase so no wo su gu nyame so na wo bompa ye gu no so no otie won na oji won Abra wo dru ba bia na epo kese na ekwa challenge kese e de ama won no wo twa wani hwe wachi a ye Egypt for no obey wo hwa wani mu a epo kakra Canada hoi sese ye be fa hinie Erade yenye denie na Israel for na ye confused but enam nyame anu osom no a wonya agidie woni mu odo nyame tumi ma epo kakra kaya eda hoi emu pai mienu. Odia wa just imagine say wujina ti say Jamestown choko wujina baby ti say Labadi na wo hwepu yi epo kakra ka da hoi na emu ache na nipa da sani na mu say God is wonderful ankasa enu nti awia mi bi sa wo how pa and say what is your problem adeswa be pa or how be pa na wo komu say nyame to me pai epum ma nipa famu a he can turn your situation around for you. What the answer? What the ye edebe preno? Say nyame anku no de ade pa bi chun de biara da. Na ye hia wo dwuma bia isu a ye de na ye be preno da. Na ye rade aye ye na ya no pay. Ye na ya ri say what's a wunya when you na. Not in a what in a Wate nyagidie woni mudodo ma wo bre enye kwa da biara da mani hunu so ye nyame osini re emfi ne ma da biara da se nyame ama de pachi ya ye fa na ye mre no by can carry natural way clinic transition the funeral people Pharma Trust Limited, DBS Roofing Sheet, Guarantee Trust Bank, Nakojak Pharmacy. Say what you mean? Baby, I will be on one. Say when I cry now, bet to me the abu boho now they are dancing to the feet. Now what to me a yinya ya fabu boho. Say wutina bes me shake him no left him the bra right. Na yinya ya wate. Unim nyom no tronso now bet to me to be yinya ya wate. So bet to me a sorry part down ho kakra. Tata ho shanya me no nyam. I'll be sad. Don't know what Anunkuto free away more and Jesus now I'm for me hope ni moja nina I'm on my own this Yesunya waya mame into me tasi Yesunya waya mayelo Yesunya waya maye into me tasi Yesunya waya mayelo has proven to be our hope. He has proven to control the power of the earth. To me, Renina, no. Nyami munyina wa mumu pono no ntini efra ni Nyankopon. Ene we efra na ye yemra no. Shirani din. Na mi mwati na. Shirani din konkro. Na makafo ni ye. Na ma sorry no dada. If you say Pacho still now what you is not because of your experience. Hey, nyame Adom wate. Papa driver. Nyame na de wo court no sande wo ba. And you experience no because of you experience an accident into Wakadem. Sorry, no dada. If you send me away, I'm on Minnesota. And that's so baby. Nyamia ye mrenu o ye na toya so hododo ya twa asida bana me fama wo irade ayi bana me fama wo odino so asida bana me fama wo jega ronjali ayi bana me fama wo odino so asida bana me fama wo irade ayi bana me fama wo once I take come near dinner ye bebre no Daughters of Glorious Jesus near Osia ye be. Before this one Muti be free a Jakalulu me on a brand new one pa. Now say about 3:45 yedin yamia ye abrenu awie wahu Sarelak for say yenhwie achede engu so awie simply because se utie Adom 106.3 Sarelak for say yenhwie achede engu so awie se utie Adom 106.3 utie ofie Kwanso sisie Sarelak say yenhwie nepa yenhwie nioma pa emfangu abraboso achede nie achedie nie hwe ben o telephone line ma misisi a ben o telephone line ma misisi a esan se Sarelak ede enkwada dia wonyamu ahoden dia dekra ne Sarelak biscuity Sarelak biscuity enkwada dia wo bo wanum se to Sarelak biscuity iron protein vitamins na shemu ma say ye enkwada dia wonyini from nti me sare ben phone line ma misisi e ben phone line ma misisi e me telephone line me pese wo frɛ me se sia wo so ni ehia chede gu so sisi e Sarelak so ye hwie gu so frɛ me sisi e me telephone line ni e 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 and a 0268 499 347 0302 216 561 and a 0302 216 562 and a 0268 499-347. Baby, I will be ano. Freme na Cerelac yaye krado ye be shia chedie edie guso. The way I line is blinky paja yo. I'm on for free. Yo, Yanko Humano say I'm picking a first caller for this afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me pacho o full name Eddie saying.
Nasiria Bossy.
Me pacho say.
Nasiria Bossy.
Nasiria Boating.
Botti.
Akete uti dino. Yo. Me pacho o first question ye. Why a crado?
Annie.
Okay. Osha Cerelac for billboard no so a wo slogan be ni atwere wo so. Ye ka Cerelac wo slogan be ni atwere wo billboard no so. Yanko anymore ana? Okay, mama vitamins baako a e wo Cerelac, mudi Cerelac a onya wo. Mama vitamin baako.
Vitamin E.
Vitamin
E.
Yo, Obapa koso anati efa mame, koso anati efa mame. Hello, good afternoon. Oh, David went to me and you know so call no akate. Also obe to me afreme na yantwetwe enkomo sisia. Hello, good afternoon. Okay, akete eje eye ne particulars na one transfer no edi number. Also bet me join here 0302-216-561 0302-216-562 and a 0268-499-347. Cerelac emuade Cerelac enkwada dia ema wo munyini from ya chichen komo de mu ayede. Hello, good afternoon. Me pacha wo full name e dey say
Rita
Edu
Mpasan.
Yo sister Rita why crado
Mpasan.
Cerelac e contain vitamins bebre boba akuso di mame
Vitamin B. Mpasan.
Oh yeah, sure pa.
Mpasan.
Okay, yanko ya di mo Cerelac wo mu 2 sizes and 2 formats. Cerelac mame format na size na mame baako.
Mpacha sasi one.
One grams na ye 2 grams no me bobako mame.
Mpacha yanko ya ni mame before.
Yanko ya nim.
Mpacha.
2 questions pencil and kabibisa wo.
This is my last one.
Maybe our last one. Okay, o share Cerelac for billboard no so a wo. One more atwero slogan ben wo so.
Oh.
A bit wo. But who to me answer baako. It will dey koso anati for mama. Why? Koso anati e for mama. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me pacho wo full name e dey say.
Pacho me Mercy Anda.
Me pacho brab you.
Mercy Anda.
Mercy Andra.
Andra. ANDAH.
Oh, Anda. Oh, okay. Yo, me pacho why crado?
Pacho.
Debia ye can say Cerelac is fortified with BB. Debia ye can debia. Sad krone ye deba the Cerelac is fortified with adebia deba dia.
With iron.
Oh yeah, sure pa.
Papa.
And your microwave there.
Debbie.
Iron.
Pacho.
Yo. O second question any. Cerelac how many variants?
Is it the flavors? Your maize.
Do say memo body because obi so question no sister enye you do saying
Pacho 5. Pacho I.
Oh yeah, sure.
Pacho I.
Okay, mate. Koso anati efa mame. Koso anati efa mame. Aha Adom 106.3. Me pacho why you?
Me pacho Samuel.
But full name ni mame why? Na enye fe. Samuel Che.
Pacho.
Me pacho why a crowd there?
Me pacho I crowd.
Yo. Cerelac, you were 2 sizes. and a 2 format. A BB grams and a BB grams. Me pese obobako so emame. Sizes and a format no bobako mame.
2
Again
2 grams.
2 grams.
Patron.
2 grams. Yo, Cerelac. One billboard no na your boss Cerelac or one slogan or tagline no. You can't say your boss Cerelac. I know what you so saying.
Big nutrition for this more time. Big nutrition for this more time.
For this small time.
Big nutrition for big nutrition for this time.
For this time. Yo, Mate. Yo,
big
Mate.
Nutrition for big time.
Big nutrition for big time. Mate. All right. Kosuanati for mame. Kosuanati, Mr. Chi. Kosuanati. Akete. Kosuanati for mame. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Black Eye.
Me patro full name Edison.
Faustina Adom.
Yo, Auntie Fosti, me patro, why you ready there? You Auntie Fosti. Me patro Cerelac ekuta vitamins bebre wom. But vitamins ne ba kudi mame.
Iron.
Iron. Iron. Yo. Me pacho yenkwe anymore. Your second question ye. 2 sizes and our format of Cerelac no. Ye will BB grams and a BB grams. Me no na ye 2 sizes na pacho bobako so di mame. Ana bobako gram no. How many grams?
400 grams.
400 grams. Oh, yeah, sure, pa.
Very sure.
Yo, mame, koso anati, mame. Aketi yam peki another call, nene yemhena, yemfa entry ha. Isan say, ne diaba bisi wo show you be see that. Kwame Yuji munye pass it through. We are going to pap test. Yeba be pape. Ene on ofie Kwanso. Me pacho, udi edisane.
Your friend Asamoah Emmanuel.
Emmanuel Asamoah.
Yeah.
Me pacho, oh, you footballer na.
Oh, that be.
Yo. Na, why a crowd there?
Yes.
Yo. How many variants of Cerelac any Cerelac? How many variants? Cerelac, Cerelac. Use Cerelac. How many variants and one more?
We have 3.
3 variants.
Yes.
3 variants.
Yes.
Okay. Yanko anymore. Second question here. As we di mo America kra. Hini na obenya Cerelac biscuit etumiato.
Hini.
Hefa any hefa. And now obenya Cerelac biscuit ato.
Oh, if you go to Accra Mall, obenya bi. Western.
And he.
Achimota Mall.
And he.
Kuala.
And he.
Fosu Malcolm.
I say I see Fosu Malcolm.
Yeah.
Emmanuel.
You.
Nyamini yo hampa. You. Koso anati for me. Why? Koso anati. This is Adom 106.3. Okay. Me producer CMPK last call. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Sorry, so we're just watching. Why?
Sorry.
Pacho, me to me who full name they say?
Peter Boche.
Yes. Peter Boche.
Yes.
Peter Boche. Me Pacho, why crado?
Pacho.
Okay. Cerelac. Yede enuaba miensa ene yede Cerelac. Enuaba no boduaba ba ko so mame.
Enuaba miensa.
3 main fruits ene yede Cerelac. 3 fruits. 3 main fruits yede Cerelac. Fruits no boba ko so mame.
Apple.
Yeah, sure.
Pacho.
Oh yeah, sure.
Pacho.
Okay, o second question here. Da no yeka say Cerelac is fortified with adiebi. Sadia na edien de bia ye kan ye kan de bia na kra maka ha. Cerelac is fortified with adiebi e de ba dia.
But mineral.
Mineral type be.
Protein.
You, Matiminia. Because go for this row at your steady Paminia. You, Kosuanati, Famame, Famame. This is Adom 106 point. I can say, Yafa course name Chreha. Yafa course name Chreha. Ofie Kwanso, Ebusia, meeting the Kwanso, waiting from the black eye. Achemini Mabushei, Medawase, da, Mohammed Friend in Fibemu, Ama Boni Biatoya, Medawase, da, Wakemeso Amadepa, Achemini Mabushei, Medawase, da, Mohammed Friend in Fibemu, Ama Boni Biatoya, Medawase, da. Live on Adom 106.3. Mepachopi, these are winners for this week. Nyame Adom Monday, Mumra, na momeje mo parcels no mobile mompe aboboya ana pragiana momfama na momfameje mo parcels esanse esusu pa ena serial for say yemfa hye mo animonyam ti mo amebo mudin mo ena mo wini for na watching ti Monday momra na mo mama meje mo achede Sister Rita present Brana Bejo die Sister Mercy present Brana Bejo die Sister Faustina Fausti Brana Bejo die Bra Samuel Bra na Bejo die and Uncle Peter Mumra na momeje machede Rita Mercy Faustina Asamoah and Peter Damia Dumo Monday from 1 p.m. till 6 p.m. Monfaha na mama meji eye mwachedi and so relax ye shemani muda.
Mefirabu na uchine su when you mehita me when you uje na watoye wo hota mejani kopia ni weradi unyuna sina meshe behind them and punch anyway weradi mefirabu oh na uchine su onyami uje na watoye wo hota mejani kopia ni weradi unyuna sina meshe behind them and punch anyway weradi Asafu Yehowa Wejima sama mami Ama makuma tomi ye Asafu Yehowa Oye mekoma fo
Mepa chope se uhunu enyoma ana ensamwa akoso eye ewo my Ghana mu ha Eni wiase mu ha baby anu a ene anwumre no nsia bo modern se ubetie eye akankase bo ayede bra Yeah, the USTD and also update ne the latest update nyina yeah the nyina be bro ewa Adom 106.3 so ntimo afidie ni na ya won your ma papi e de ma baby adu die by kind courtesy future life health drink Feco spray starch global access savings and loans Serene Insurance and adomonline.com afutuo nie
Adom FM.
Ba meka wo say achede no a ene ye achede ye nchemwie. Ye wo two promos ani nyina ye ba be chemade mo. Tefidie mane na ha ya. Achede ne de ye mo. Papa baako a me respect na pa a me boni din a me sorry the late Nelson Mandela. Oye nipa baako a oboa South Africa mine ye. Ema ehun sunsuanso pa no ebi to make Africa nyina. Na ni quote baako a me depano say necro. I'll say it always seems impossible until it's done. The late Nelson Mandela, I'll say it always seems impossible until it is done. Now, the sentence na me de pass. Yeah, two boys in here. It always seems impossible. One can say, it's always impossible until it's done. I say, it always seems impossible. Not just say, be impossible. Ejina hawa usi hunu adieno. The fact to say adieno ding enchre say adieno untumi enye. The fact to say adieno ding a ushe bebia enche na ujin kura ensisuo no doesn't mean say adieno untumi enye. Ushe mu ye pa no a ushe the word impossible a eye impossible. Impossible. Chire say adieno wo ya enye ye impossible. But sa wo hwe word ni ye pa sa word impossible na no who the word possible. It was our word impossible name. Take a closer look at it. The word impossible no who hwe ni ye pa no who the word possible. It was our word na your friend impossible name. Me understanding anadie misua wo mu kire say sa impossible situation no ukomu no. The word possible e wo mu ho. The fact is say adwuma no adin, the fact is say abrabo mu adin, the fact is say okwa enko, the fact say wo twia emma, the fact say ubomu ayemio, the fact say wo hwehwa unhunu, the fact say che say uye wo ho hwia ensiso no doesn't mean say it is impossible. Persevere. Concentrate on the worship in life. Enya dia ebeye easy ewa brabom so obi disabo shani bi she wa sa dipa no o twa wontro. You have done it before, and it's important say obe reminder wo ho say once I won kwanko ade o wa ade enu nti udi bibia si wani so business bi na ade si wani so school bi na opese wo ko bibia wodi si wani so bia no opese wo achieve in life no. It is possible because you have life. And when you have life, there is hope. And it is possible. Say it is possible. It is possible. It always seems impossible until it is done. Step out there. Take that action. And we won't say, Adiana no adwene say, wun to me no. What to me aye. Where the ekaime encrophobia womu kodi nsemone na a police for baba bechi womu na what tintin bi wo ho na akwana police ni di na chi baba bechi no akwa no style crowd de fro what tintin na okosi wo na chi police na ajo na oboni nsem apadi no oboni nsem apadi because police ni kra hwe what tintin na eda kwa na ni ma akwa na tumi ahwira and a normal circumstance ne normal day no kontumi hwire o. But police for no pressure kakra omo soldier go ne to no otumi hwiri wo no. Who told you it is impossible? The word impossible no emu ana the word possible. Ewo nyame wo mo e won kwan ko ade ebeye ye. Yemfa sedan from a Future Life Health drink. Yan fast dan former feco spray starch or the two dear man tadi any daho. Who crying him puts over beside spray as a good perfume. Nice fragrance na feco spray starch. What they ma work and over Hemencha my Jimmy future life health drink. And I may bono boche. Me bono boche. Me bono boche. Me nom ne tache. Future life health drink. Health drink papa. Me pacho global access savings and loans. What to answer from Wabuam Wajumano Wabuam what to me in Jumano. Serene Insurance. Wabuama also said I want you to buy. I want to be who was some fast one. I don't you can't insure can with Serene. Why? Aviation and insurance in the nature or maritime insurance in the nature Serene Insurance or Babuan Pie. One of Boasia Cinema Media Futu at the Brewer.